Take a look at this listing. Contact our office to speak with a qualified agent who can help you with any questions you may have. Call 252-946-8021 today. Such a gorgeous country setting, this home offers a blend of modern comfort and classic charm. It has 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 luxurious bathrooms, and 2,850 square feet of heated living space. With a warm and inviting atmosphere, the floor plan combines the living room, kitchen, and dining area. The farmhouse-style kitchen has modern appliances, ample counter space, and a large island. Each bedroom has custom closets and cabinet space. This property is situated on almost an acre of land. There is mature landscaping, a detached shed for outdoor equipment, and attached garage space for 2 cars. There is a generator so you will never be in the dark. A gazebo, a large screen and back patio, and the peaceful scenic views will help you to relax and unwind after a long day. Call now to make your appointment.